In this video, I'll show you how to fix an Acer laptop that is plugged in but not charging. First, right-click the Start menu and select Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, expand the Batteries section. Here, you'll see entries such as Microsoft AC adapter and Microsoft ACPI compliant control method battery. Right-click on Microsoft AC adapter and select Uninstall device. Click Uninstall to confirm. Next, right-click on Microsoft ACPI compliant control method battery and select Uninstall device as well. Click Uninstall again to confirm. Once both battery drivers have been removed, restart your Acer laptop. Windows will automatically reinstall the battery drivers during startup. After the restart, check whether your laptop is charging properly. If the issue still continues, shut down your laptop completely. Unplug the charger and disconnect all external devices. Now turn the laptop upside down and look for a battery reset pinhole on the bottom panel. It is usually marked with a small battery icon. If your laptop has this pinhole, insert a paperclip or a similar tool and hold it for about 5 seconds. This will reset the internal battery and may fix charging issues. If your Acer laptop does not have a battery reset pinhole, unplug the charger and make sure the laptop is powered off. Then press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. This will drain any remaining power from the system. After that, reconnect the charger and turn the laptop back on. Once Windows loads, check if the battery is charging normally. That's it. These are the most effective ways to fix an Acer laptop that is plugged in but not charging. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.